So you guys must have came across these kind of videos all over the Instagram, right? So these videos are called famous AI torch videos, where you can basically go ahead and show the characters that are no longer there. Like it could be of some TV shows, some cartoon that are no longer in play right now. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and recreate these kind of videos very easily by using free AI tools. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, for creating these kind of videos, you need to go ahead and create images first and then convert those images into videos. So for creating images, we're gonna come to Gemini. So as you guys can see, I'm using the free version of Gemini right now. And over here, you need to go ahead and upload your image first of all. So for the image, I'm gonna go ahead and take first of all my character, which would be SpongeBob. So you guys know like this cartoon TV show is not going live right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply copy the image of SpongeBob from Google, come to Google Gemini and paste it right over here. And then what prompt that you're gonna input over here, that is really important. So for that, I basically ready myself a prompt. So the first prompt we have is for image, so which means you have to upload your desired images like SpongeBob in this case, and then simply copy and paste this prompt. Okay, and then once your image is done, you have to take that image, go to Google VEO 3 and simply paste that this particular video prompt into that AI tool. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna go ahead and simply copy this prompt, come to Google Gemini and paste it right over here, and all the settings would be default. Simply need to go ahead and submit it, and then within few seconds Google Gemini is going to basically load Nano Banana 2 and create that perfect image for you that you'll be requiring to create the video that you're looking for. Okay, all right, so for that, Google Gemini basically provided me with this output, and this looks absolutely perfect. Like, take a look at this, right? So this looks like a beautiful AI torch image that we can go ahead and animate that later. So this is a POV style, and similarly, just like that, I basically created some of the more images. Like this one is of Cristiano Ronaldo. Then we have of Oggy from Oggy and the Cockroaches. Then we have of Tom, and then we have of Doraemon as well. And just like that, you can create like so many of your favorite characters without any problem. So the next step is you need to go ahead and go to Google VEO 3 inside of Flow, create a new project right over here. Simply drag your image that you created earlier with Google Gemini right over here. And then we're gonna go ahead and copy the video prompt that I just told you earlier. So for the prompts, I'm gonna provide you these prompts down in the description so that you can create your own version as well. So don't worry about it. I'm gonna simply paste it right over here. Click on submit. And then just like that, here are some of the results that we created inside of Google VEO 3. And this whole process was absolutely free because Google VEO 3, like Google Flow, provides you some free credits so you can create your own videos, and you can like basically use multiple Gmail accounts to create your videos. So yeah, this is how you can go ahead and easily create these kind of like very trending AI torch videos. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.